So we're here today at Preston train station and we're about to board the Northern Belle. And we're going to find out if this luxury train is really worth its luxury price tag. So come along with us and enjoy the ride. So full disclosure, this experience was gifted to me by Virgin Experience Days. However, they're not sponsoring this YouTube video. So this YouTube video is all around the Northern Belle, the experience, what I thought of it. And that gives me free rein to give my real opinion of it and what I think, although I'm sure I'll love it. So let's get on with it.
Blue sky house.
They have a starter and a main course just for breakfast. I'm going to be stuffed.
Absolutely, of course I will.
So yes, please remember that this is a con and I'm a cheat.
Okay.
So if I say the ball is in the cup, I will probably sneak it out. Sorry, Dean. Probably sneak it out into my pocket. If I say the ball is in my pocket, it will generally end under the cup. So what should we say? £10 to start. Who wants to go first? Take Apple Pay if cash is a problem.
Over to the left of the building around about 11 o'clock, you see looks like a Senate building. That's an old high school, and I'm very, very pleased to say that as of September next year, it's coming back as a high school. It's going to be the National Conservatoire of Scotland, the National Music School.
Oh, the Queen did cry.
Yeah. 10 grand that wasn't it?
Was it? In what year?
67. Made a nice picture actually.
Suppose we've got a good thing on Netflix starting to Guinness.
What is it?
You know,
And then caviar.
that one there.
And then I'm having mushroom.
Programs coming out.
Strictly. No, strictly.
He doesn't.
They don't. They have about 1,000 staff underneath them. If you are mine all together now, what a difference they made. There's a rainbow for me. Skies are blurry as oh, you tell
I just need to film it
So get some
and
content, that's absolutely fine.
just make it look, you know,
Make it look like I'll do that.
like that is all my cheese board.
This is all your cheese
You know,
boards,
I don't-
hand actions going on there.
Content.
Get that head out.
Yeah, smile, wave. There we go. Right, we're good. We're good. Well, what can I say? It's dark. We're on our way home. We're nearly home. It's been an exceptional day. We've both loved it. The food's been immaculate. It's so good. Like unbelievable. The food. The staff have been amazing. The experience on the whole is really good. It's really luxurious, really refined. It's just an exceptional experience. So if you're on the fence about going on the Northern Belle, I'd definitely say go out there and do it. It's a once in a lifetime experience. You're not going to get this anywhere else on the main line. And yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Thank you.